Owning a pool is a dream until you're stuck Saturday morning scrubbing your water line. Most pool robots focus on just floor cleaning, leaving you to have to manually skim the surface. Today we're looking at a game changer, the Beatbot Sora 70. This is the first robot at this price point that handles the floor, the walls, the water line, and the surface. Is it the zero drama automation it claims to be? Let's dive in. Straight out of the box, you can tell this isn't a toy. It has an IP68 waterproof rating. It's corrosion resistant and has an anti-UV protectant. Feels incredibly solid. What makes it smart are these dual ultrasonic sensors on the front. This allows for precision navigation so it doesn't just bump around. It actually maps the pool. Plus it has a single toggle switch design. There's no complicated menus. You just drop it in the pool and let it work. Now before I put this in the pool, I'm going to give you a close-up of how this thing works and a couple of the key functions. These here are pulse jets that draw water into the robot. That water comes in, comes out of here. In the back, this is your charging port. Don't have it plugged in right now, but you just put that in and that's how you start charging it. This is your toggle switch. Push it this way, this light lights up. That'll be your pro mode. That's for your floor, walls, water line, and surface. Now if you switch it this way, that's preset mode. You set the preset mode within the app. Something I noticed right off the bat is the paint job. It's got like sparkles in it. Looks pretty fancy, looks high end. Right here is how you access the filter basket. You pop this open and you can see your filter in here. Whole thing comes out real easy. Dump this out. So here's everything that comes in the box. You've got your quick start guide, battery charger, you've got a manual, and you got a hook attachment. And of course you've got the Sora 70. The standout feature here is the industry first pulse jet technology. Most robots actually push surface debris away as they move. The Sora 70 has internal water jets to pull leaves and pollen directly into the center suction, while the outer jets prevent them from escaping. It effectively hunts the surface of your pool. If you have trees nearby, this surface alone will save you hours of manual skimming every week. But it's not just a skimmer. This is a 4-zone cleaner. It handles the floors, climbs the walls, and scrubs the water line to get rid of that bathtub ring buildup. The most impressive part? It handles platforms and tanning ledges as shallow as 8 inches. Most robots get stuck or just stop when they hit shallow water. But the Sora 70 transitions onto them seamlessly. It's the most complete cleaning coverage I've seen in this price segment. You can see down there at the bottom of the pool, there's a lot of heavy sand, dirt, and debris. The Sora 70 is getting ready to dive down there and clean it up. So that was literally a shovel full of dirt, sand, and pebbles. And the Sora 70 came through and cleaned it up. Under the hood, this thing is a beast. It has 6,800 gallons per hour of suction power. To put that in perspective, it can pick up fine sand, silt, heavy wet leaves. All that goes into this massive 6-liter basket. You won't have to empty this mid-clean. And as for battery life, up to 7 hours surface cleaning or 5 hours floor cleaning on a single charge. My biggest pet peeve with pool robots is having to fish them out of the deep end with a hook. Beatbot solved this with smart surface parking. When the battery hits 12%, or the job is done, it automatically floats to the surface and parks itself at the edge of the pool. And thanks to the smart drain design, the water empties out instantly when you lift it, so it's not heavy or awkward to carry. So this is the home screen. Click next and you can see what your pool cleaner is doing. Right now it's on surface mode. If you click that surface mode, you can see all the different presets that you can use. You can do floor mode, like I said, it's on surface mode, standby mode, eco mode, or pro mode. Pro mode is this top one here where it automatically does the floor, wall, waterline, and surface. Well, right now I'm just doing surface mode. Click next, and you can select a runtime of 2 hours, 3 hours, or the max runtime. I'm just doing 2 hours. Hit confirm. Now if you want to, I can use this as a remote control. Hit the remote button, and now I can steer this thing. Turn it, back it up. If you've got a leaf or a stick or something you want to pick up, you can steer it to pick up what you want. It shows your cleaning record. This is me just kind of messing around with it. This cleaning record here. So how many of you guys have pools at home? Do you have in-ground pools, above-ground pools? How many months out of the year are they in service? In this neighborhood, every house has a pool and it's open 12 months out of the year, 365 days. So there is a lot of pool cleaning. Do you do all that yourself or do you hire that out? A lot of people are making the switch to these robots. The Sora 70 comes in at a price point that makes it affordable for anybody that owns a pool. The fact that it cleans the surface, the floor, the walls, water line at half the cost of most pool cleaning robots that have these cleaning features. It makes it very competitive and it makes it so a lot more people can have pool cleaning robots. Tell me down in the comments, what do you think of this pool cleaning robot? Is it something that you would be interested in? It comes with a 3-year warranty. I've had another Beatbot pool cleaning robot in service for a year, still works as good as it did on day one. So if you want to spend a little more time swimming and a little less time manually skimming your pool, check out the link in the description below and make sure you join the Beatbot Facebook group to see how other owners are using their Beatbot robot pool cleaners. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.